Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into the tech that is literally reshaping our modern world from the ground up, the Internet of Things. If you've been paying attention to the tech landscape lately, you know our devices are getting smarter, our cities are getting way more efficient, and industries are undergoing a massive transformation. Right now, there are tens of billions, yes, billions of connected devices actively transmitting data across the globe. They outnumber us humans by a staggering margin. But how does it all actually work? And more importantly, how can you become a part of building it? Well, let's find out. Seriously, just imagine a world where every single device around you is constantly communicating, collecting data, and making intelligent decisions in real time. We're talking about everything from the smart cars in your driveway and the wearables on your wrist, all the way up to massive drones and complex AI-powered systems in industrial factories. It honestly sounds like science fiction, right? But this deeply connected ecosystem is already here. It's the new baseline for modern technology. So, Section 1. What exactly is IoT? The Internet of Things, or IoT for short, is basically a network of physical devices connected to the internet that automatically collect, exchange, and analyze data. You know, it's no longer just about your laptop or your smartphone being online. It's about taking everyday physical objects, embedding them with precise little sensors, and giving them a digital pulse so they can talk to each other, completely without requiring constant human intervention. Let's look at how this actually flows in practice. It's kind of like a giant puzzle. Data begins its life at step 1, with physical devices and sensors out in the real world. From there, it travels through step 2, the internet, which acts as this crucial bridge. Then it lands in step 3, the cloud. This is where massive amounts of info are securely stored and rapidly processed. And finally, it arrives at step 4, where all that raw data is transformed into actual, actionable intelligence, like instantly telling a heavy manufacturing machine to shut down before it overheats. This exact pipeline is what turns a traditionally dumb object into an exceptionally smart one. Moving on to Section 2, real-world IoT applications. Just look at the sheer breadth of these applications. IoT is what powers the smart homes that seamlessly adjust our thermostats before we even walk through the front door. It drives smart agriculture, where microscopic soil sensors automatically trigger irrigation. That saves millions of gallons of water while actually boosting crop yields. It's completely revolutionizing healthcare through continuous remote patient monitoring, and it's literally the backbone of smart cities. Think about it, reading traffic congestion in real time to dynamically change light patterns and just eliminate gridlock. From connected vehicles navigating our streets to massive robotic arms in industrial automation, IoT is the invisible thread pulling modern life together. So why are companies pouring billions into this? Well, implementing these technologies helps global organizations dramatically improve efficiency, slash costs, and make much smarter decisions. I mean, if a manufacturing plant can predict exactly when a machine is going to break down days before it actually happens, that saves millions of dollars and countless hours of downtime. The business value here is absolutely undeniable. All right, Section 3, the technology behind IoT. IoT is this really fascinating hybrid of two completely different worlds. On one side, you've got the physical hardware, sensitive components that read the environment, and microcontrollers like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and the ESP32. These act as the physical brains of the operation. Now, on the flip side, you have the digital and cloud layer. This includes communication protocols like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, massive cloud platforms to host all that data, and complex AI analytics to actually make sense of it all. The true challenge, and honestly the real magic, lies in securely bridging these columns to create a flawless, automated system. And that is exactly what a structured IoT curriculum is designed to teach you. By enrolling in a dedicated course, you learn to master these exact communication protocols, cloud integrations, and core microcontrollers. You aren't just reading about dry theory here. You are actually getting your hands dirty, learning how to wire an Arduino or an ESP32, connect it to cloud IoT services, and weave in advanced AI to build your very own real-world IoT projects right from scratch. It is super hands-on, high-impact learning. Now for Section 4, high-demand IoT careers. Because traditional industries are just rushing to digitize and modernize their infrastructure, the demand for IoT engineers is surging across almost every sector you can think of. Whether it's working in a cutting-edge smart lab, an innovative startup, or a massive robotics center, the doors are wide open right now. You could step into roles like an IoT developer or embedded engineer, working directly with the hardware. Or you could aim for the big picture as a smart systems architect or an Industry 4.0 consultant, where you're helping entire global companies upgrade their legacy systems into the connected future. The career paths are literally as diverse as the tech itself. Finally, Section 5, Master the Connected Future. Listen, you absolutely do not need to be a coding genius with a decade of experience to get started. You can begin your IoT journey today with a beginner-friendly curriculum that is entirely industry-oriented. That means we skip the fluff and focus entirely on practical, highly in-demand skills. You'll be guided through intense hands-on projects, earn a verified certificate of completion to boldly prove your new expertise to employers, and you'll get the dedicated career guidance necessary to help land that very first role in the industry. It's a complete pathway from novice to professional. The future of the world is undeniably connected. We've seen the devices, we've explored the massive industries being completely transformed, and we've looked at the incredible career opportunities waiting for folks with the right skills. Everything, and I mean everything, is moving toward a more intelligent, automated reality. So, it's time to take action. Enroll today to gain those practical, hands-on skills and take your absolute first step toward mastering these systems. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. As we've seen, the future of our world is undeniably connected. The only question left is, will you be the one to build it?